What are you doing? What are you doing? Get, oh, no, you're not playing with a pumpkin. Drop it, drop it. No, sir. The pumpkins are off limits. Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some of the new Encore Azaleas for 2021. This is Autumn Majesty and Autumn Starburst. Autumn Starburst is white with a pink center. Beautiful. Majesty is a purple. Both are hardy in zone 6 to 10. Can't wait to get into these boxes. I'm actually going to be planting these around my neighborhood. So I have some of these to film and show you guys next year. I've already put a couple into my yard. I've got my Autumn Majesty in the front yard. It's budded up like crazy and is about to get started blooming. So let's take a look inside these boxes. So in the first three boxes, these are the Autumn Starburst. And I guess we're calling this coral and white. You'll probably hear me say pink and white more than once. Really just beautiful. Sunburst, which has been around for a long time, has slightly more of that coral color in the middle and less white. This one is definitely more vividly white around the edge. So keep in mind it's September when I'm shooting this and they're just starting on their fall flowering now. These Autumn Majesty are budded up like crazy. A few flowers have opened, but they have a double purple flower, lots and lots of flower buds on them to open throughout the fall. And I got 6 of the Starburst and 6 of the Autumn Majesty. So let's talk about the specs on these new Encore Azaleas for 2021. Like I said at the beginning of the video, Autumn Starburst and Autumn Majesty are hardy in zones 6A all the way to 10B. So quite a few of you watching this can actually grow these. They are both evergreen. They both repeat bloom, and they'll bloom in the spring, summer, and fall. Sometimes it takes a few seasons with these Encore Azaleas for them to establish whatever pattern that they're going to have in your yard. I've got, I think, 7 different varieties in this yard, and I almost always have flowers from spring to fall. That was the same at my old house as well. They don't all bloom on, just set exact time. So if you have several varieties of them, you can expect to cover a larger range of time with flowers on your Encore Azaleas. Autumn Majesty will get about 3 feet in height, about 3 feet in width. Starburst about 3 feet in height, 3.5 feet in width. Both of them grow as really dense, low mounding shrubs. That's pretty much how most of the Encore Azaleas grow. I've got several videos on my channel for top 10. I've got all the dwarf Encore Azaleas, all the Encore Azaleas that'll grow into zone 6, just like these will, because not all of them are hardy into zone 6. I've got a video for very popular Encore Azaleas as well. These two would belong in that video for next year. I'm quite sure of that. So thank you very much for watching this video, and look for upcoming content where I'm actually planting these and doing some tour videos in my neighbors' landscapes. Thanks for watching.